Alright, let's get straight to it. DJI Mavic 4 Pro pricing. Because let's be real, all the fancy specs in the world don't mean much if the price tag makes your wallet cry. Thanks to some fresh leaks, we now have a solid idea of how much DJI is asking for their latest flagship drone. According to well-known leaker Bill Bond, if you're in Europe, the base model of the Mavic 4 Pro will cost €2,299, and if you're in the UK, you're looking at £1,879. That price includes the RC2 controller, which is separately valued at around $369 on Amazon. Interestingly, this is pretty much the same launch price as the Mavic 3 Pro, so no major surprises there. Now, if you want to upgrade to the Fly More combo, which most likely includes extra batteries and essential accessories, the price jumps to €2,699 in Europe and £2,549 in the UK. Surprisingly, that's actually a little cheaper than the equivalent Mavic 3 Pro bundle when it first launched. Then there's the Creator Combo, which is where things get really interesting. This version includes the new DJI RC Pro 2 controller along with 52 GB of built-in storage. But if you want this premium package, it'll set you back €3,539 in Europe and £3,299 in the UK. No official details yet on what other accessories are included, but knowing DJI, expect some must-have extras. Now, let's shift over to the US pricing. According to Jasper Ellens via DroneXL, the Mavic 4 Pro is expected to launch on April 24th with a starting price of $2,250, which also includes the RC2 controller. The Fly More combo climbs up to $3,200, and the top-tier 512 GB Creator Combo, which comes with the new DJI RC Pro 2 controller, hits a whopping $4,400. So, if these leaks are accurate, DJI isn't making any major changes to the base model pricing, but the bundles are where things get interesting. Are these prices reasonable, or are we looking at yet another drone that costs as much as a used? Now, let's talk about what you're actually getting for those price tags. Because when you're spending thousands of dollars on a drone, you want to make sure you're getting real value. So, what upgrades and features does the Mavic 4 Pro bring to the table? According to leaks, one of the biggest improvements is the camera system. DJI is rumored to be introducing a triple camera setup, with better zoom capabilities and a larger sensor for improved low-light performance. There's also talk of LiDAR technology, which could enhance obstacle avoidance and tracking. This means more accurate subject tracking and potentially even better autonomous flight modes. Another exciting upgrade is flight time. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to push the limits with up to 50 minutes of flight per battery, which is a noticeable improvement over the Mavic 3 Pro's 43-minute limit. This could be a game-changer for aerial photographers and videographers who need longer flights without constant battery swaps. But that's not all. DJI is rumored to be embracing vertical video mode on the Mavic 4 Pro, a feature that content creators will love. With the rise of TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, it makes sense for DJI to cater to the demand for vertical content. Whether it's through a dedicated vertical mode or a new gimbal rotation feature, this could be a major selling point for social media creators. So, with all these upgrades, is the Mavic 4 Pro worth its price? Let's move on to the comparison with previous Mavic models and see how it stacks up.